You'll be fine. That's pretty kind of faster. I watched Brennan say that had one of his legs off and that girl like that. Hey, remember when our tram lady said that, why don't you get a babysitter? Oh, that's the other tram, huh? Ew.
I want to go to
That's right. Make some noise if you need a new pair of underwear.
I'm gonna assume that meant that you were all so horrified that you've lost your voices and you can't scream, right?
I lost my arm.
Alright, well, let me ask you this. Woman by the baby.
That was piss?
Yeah. Yeah. You never react the first time, but everybody is like, yes, I got peanut by the. You're all proud. You should be proud of that. We use real deer urine.
Ew.
I know, it's gross. Alright, so my name's Abby. That is Jay, the driver. We are not the people who brought you down here. No. Horrible things happen to them. But you don't need to worry about that. It's cool. It's not your problem. If you are worried about losing any personal items, like, you know, your family members, or most horrifying, your cell phone, just check what we call guest relations. Check that out. And let me remind you, our theme tonight is nightmares. I'm going to take you inside my worst nightmare right now. Don't forget what we told you. If you die in your dreams, you die in real life. Don't fall asleep. 5, 6,
my children.
7,
I've been away from my children. Welcome to my might have been a little naughty, but after they killed me, I became something much, much worse. The stuff nightmares are made of.
He became a tour guide. Just kidding. All right, we're done with all that. Wakey, wakey, boys and girls. We are taking you back to the theme park right now, and as we do that, I have a very special treat. In April of 2009, Universal Pictures will unveil The Wolfman, starring Academy Award winners Benicio del Toro and Sir Anthony Hopkins. The film is inspired by the classic Universal movie horror. It's still 6 months away, but the studio wanted to give an exclusive sneak peek to you, the guests of Halloween Horror Night.